Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Please always refer to your use and care guide and installation manual before beginning any repair, as they are the primary sources of information regarding your appliance. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Before you replace a hinge friction sleeve on your dishwasher, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Using a flathead screwdriver, rotate the lower access panel fasteners counterclockwise a quarter turn to detach. Remove the access panel and the attached insulation. Determine if the water and power supply lines provide enough slack to move the dishwasher part way out of the cabinet. If not, you will need to fully uninstall the appliance. To do this, first shut off the water supply valve. Use channel lock pliers to unthread the water supply line elbow fitting from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Use a 1/4-inch hex head nut driver or a T20 Torx bit to unthread the screw, securing the terminal box cover. Remove the cover. Note the orientation of the power wires. Then untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Unthread the strain relief nut and detach the strain relief and the power wires from the terminal box. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and remove the mounting bracket screws. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the legs to lower the appliance. Now gently pull the dishwasher part way out of the cabinet. Unhook the hinge link and spring from the appropriate door hinge. Pull the hinge away from the frame, and you can slide off the old friction sleeve if still intact. Install the new hinge friction sleeve by sliding it over the hinge. With the sleeve in place, hook the hinge link and spring onto the hinge. Confirm that the end of the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall. Then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs if necessary. Replace the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or garbage disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Fully position the wires and strain relief in the terminal box. Then thread and tighten the strain relief nut. Secure the grounding wire with the screw. Join the black wires together and the white wires together and secure them with the wire nuts. With the wires positioned inside the terminal box, realign the cover and rethread the screw to secure. Reconnect the water supply line fitting to the inlet valve. Reposition the access panel, making sure the attached insulation does not interfere with the float assembly and the lower edge of the panel touches the floor. Secure the panel by rotating the fasteners clockwise a quarter turn. With the repair completed, turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.